Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Final Cut Pro for advanced audio ducking techniques, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Import your video and audio clips into the project. Drag your video clip to the timeline. Add your audio track beneath the video layer. Select the audio track that requires ducking. Navigate to the audio inspector on the right side of the screen. Adjust the audio levels of the background track to a baseline level. Play your timeline to identify the areas where dialogue occurs. Pause the playback when the dialogue starts. Use the blade tool to cut the background audio track at the start of the dialogue. Continue playing until the dialogue ends. Cut the background audio track again at the end of the dialogue. Select the audio segment you just cut. Lower the audio level of the cut section by dragging the volume slider down. Repeat this process for all dialogue sections. To ensure smoother transitions, crossfade the audio clips. Select the cut audio segment. Go to the menu bar and choose Modify, then select Add Crossfade. Adjust the duration of each crossfade as needed. Listen to the transitions to ensure they flow naturally. Make further adjustments to the audio levels if necessary. Once satisfied, export your project. Your audio ducking technique is now effectively configured in Final Cut Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.